Hey, you, yes you, do you want to know how to make stuff like this? If you do, make sure to watch this whole video and I'm going to explaining how to do it, and then at the end I will show the tutorial of how I made those exact moves, in case you wanted to make those specifically. And yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to do string combos. Yes, these curse strikes, the strikes, things, I'm going to show you to do the custom animations and stuff, and I hope you enjoy the video, and just make sure to leave a like or something to show your appreciation to this video, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, now you've built your thing, and then basically I do this because if I want to grab it, and I need to grab it again, so you don't really need this unless you forget to do that. But anyway, how to make string combos. Basically, you get something like, say, sacrilegious, and then you do oh, okay, basically you get like whatever animation you want, like this. I know this is a lot similar like the last video with the how to make your custom counters, but this is more how to make your like own custom cutscene / string combos. So basically I go out to the dummy, and then now I'm doing this, but you're probably wondering, how can we make him like look like he's getting punched as many times as I'm like throwing them? We get this, and just like how I showed you in the last video, we're gonna put another one, but this one's gonna be the hit version, which is right here. Make sure this is at like, since this is at 1, we should probably put this at 2 just to be sure. And what you should get out of this is basically this. And it's pretty cool. Or if you want to be a little more creative, because yeah, we can do something like, okay, I found one. So what if we do, where is it? Final Judgment, and then the hit version. So it looks like we're like duking it out. Yeah. So basically, and then you got that, and then that, and then like, like something like this too, that works. Like, it just makes it more cinematic now. Like, I have a thing that can do a thing with a thing and a thing, you know? Like, okay, but yeah, basically that's all I had to show today. It's not a very big video, but that's pretty much it. Just how to make a string combo or an auto combo or something like that to just make things more cinematic, basically. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Gambling? I'm gambling.